Okay, so for this next exercise, we're going to start assembling our Lego blocks, and it requires us to open up the file that's been placed in your folder called My First Lego Assembly. At that point, we're going to click the Place button, and we're going to place our first Lego block. When you place it, you will notice it tries to put a second Lego block in. At that point, press Escape. Now you want to place your next Lego block. Choose one of a different colour and click Open. Once you click it, it again will try and place the second one in position. Press Escape. So now you can see you have two Lego blocks, but they're not joined together at the moment. So we're going to move our Lego blocks into position, and we're going to press the Constrain button. Once we press Constrain button, you want to select the bottom flat surface of the second Lego block that you placed into position. Once you do, it will highlight in green, click it, and then making sure selection number 2 is selected, you want to press the top flat surface of the first Lego block, like so. Once you do, the two blocks will come together, then click Apply. Now the next part is to line up the tops of the two Lego blocks. So the first step here is to click the top of the yellow block. Once you do so, you'll see that selections jumps to selection number 2, but before you select the top of the red yellow block, make sure to select the flush button as shown here. Once you select the flush button, then click the top of the second block and click Apply. Finally, we want to repeat that same step, but this time for the sides of the Lego. So we're going to select the side of the yellow Lego block here. We're then going to select the flush button, and then we're going to select the side of the red Lego block. Then we're going to click Apply, and it should be now that all edges and surfaces of our Lego blocks are joined together and they cannot be moved.